So it's been 1 year since I joined Phonak after more than 20 years in the clinical side. What I felt most passionate about was the patient care, the connection with our patients on that side, and that's the exact viewpoint and that passion that I've taken to Phonak. In my new role, I'm managing and building a team of clinical researchers. What our focus will be to build the scientific evidence supporting the new products that come to market. Currently, I have two goals. First being the completion of the construction process of our new Phonak Audiology Research Center. This will be the first research labs that Phonak has supported in North America outside of its primary headquarters in Switzerland. The final construction of Park is imminent, and what's exciting for all audiologists, both inside Phonak as well as the entire audiology community, is that we will have the ability to not only research how is the product working, is it working as it was intended by design, and also what does it do to improve the patient's life. So how we're going to accomplish this task is twofold. The first is that we're able to evaluate the effectiveness of the hearing aid design in a traditional acoustic research laboratory. Once we know exactly what the device is doing and that it's working properly, we can then transfer that over into a very unique, first of its kind listening loft. And what the listening loft is a replication of an actual first floor of a home, where we'll be able to replicate everyday real-world environments. It's going to produce data that will truly make meaningful differences in how we are able to respond to the known demands of our end user. It's very predictable of the challenges and the successes that hearing aid patients experience. And the more that we can replicate that in a research environment, the easier it will be for clinicians to be able to counsel and advise their patients, and the more meaningful message will be for patients to understand how hearing aids and increased audibility can improve the overall quality of their life. Another goal that my team is strongly focusing on is how can we enhance and improve the patient's journey. As audiologists, we've never been so educated. And as an industry, we've never had access to so much advanced technology that truly does make a difference in people's lives. However, as we all know, we are still struggling with many of the same problems that we did decades ago. We have a low adoption rate, we have flat to low market growth, and we have a 7-year journey where the patient is experiencing difficulties but doesn't know what to do or where to turn to seek services. We've got to find a way where the consumer is able to appreciate the value of what audiologists bring to the hearing healthcare market. I'm excited about the opportunities to collaborate with the audiology community, to truly make meaningful changes in the overall patient experience, to increase the awareness and the appreciation and the value of the clinical audiologist throughout the hearing healthcare experience, and to produce meaningful evidence-based protocols that have been proven to truly create best outcomes for the patients' lives who we are very privileged to serve.